Good morning, students. Yesterday we were discussing about equinoxes and solstices. Today we are going to see about angle of incidence of the sun's rays and duration of daylight. You have to go through the table that is given in your book and understand what role angle of incidence play on duration of day and night. The angle of incidence of the sun rays and duration of day and night at different latitudes are given in the table, you know well. The altitude of the angle of incidence is also measured in degrees. See, the altitude or the angle of incidence is measured in degrees. It is calculated by subtracting the value of the latitude in degrees from 90. Value of the latitude is subtracted from 90 degree. Now, if, for example, the maximum reached at the equator, for example, you see, for example, in the above table, at 66 degree 30 minutes north latitude, the angle of incidence would be 90 minus 66 degree 30 minutes is equal to 23. Similarly, if a latitude of station were only 60, then 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. This is the how we will find the angle of incidence. We will, if you know the latitude of a particular place, we will subtract that latitude from 90 degree. See, the table also shows that hours of daylight are always 12 hours at the equator, and they go on increasing or decreasing towards the poles. So at the equator, always it is 12 hours. But when we move further apart to the poles, either increases or decreases. Increases if the sun is towards the pole, decreases the sun is against the pole. Now, cyclic of seasons, let us see cycle of seasons. The equinoxes and the solstices are the positions of the earth with respect to the sun on the given fixed date. That you know it already. They help us to understand how seasons occur and how they are reversed in the northern and southern hemisphere. You know, when it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. Why? When it is summer, because sun is in the southern hemisphere. When it is summer in northern hemisphere, it is winter in southern hemisphere. When it is summer in southern hemisphere, why it is so? Because sun is in the northern hemisphere, then northern hemisphere will have summer. At the same time, southern hemisphere will have winter. It is winter in the northern and southern hemisphere. From the table 3.1, variations in the altitude of the sun during equinoxes and solstices in different latitude. It is observed that duration of day and night varies according to season. You just simply remember duration of day and night varies according to season. As a result of this variation, what happens? As a result of this variation, seasons are not the same in all parts of the earth. In general, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter, corresponding to the dates of solstices and equinoxes. Generally, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter, in corresponding to the dates of solstices and equinoxes. But the seasons vary, the time of the seasons vary, that the duration of day varies in the seasons because of the movement of the sun or revolution of the earth around the sun. Now we will see next class we will see the position. What is the position of sun, or what is the position of the earth on June 21st, December, on December 23rd, December 22, September 23, and 21st March. We will be seeing tomorrow what is the position of the earth on these days. Mainly these are equinoxes and solstices. What role does the sun play on the earth on these particular days? That we will be seeing tomorrow. Thank you.